Welcome! Today we will be exploring IPA Source, a new resource provided by the Illinois Central College Library. Your instructor should have provided you a link for IPA Source. If they have not, please contact your vocal coach instructor. IPA Source is only available for voice students. Now, IPA stands for the International Phonetic Alphabet, which are standardized ways to describe how words are pronounced. IPA Source is a collection of songs from classical music that have been transcribed into this phonetic alphabet so that they can be more easily pronounced by singers. For instructions on how to use IPA, you can select Resources, select Diction, and then select one of the vowel and consonant charts for the language that your song is in. For example, if my song was in Latin, I would download the Latin vowel and consonant chart and some translation and transcription help if I felt like I needed more help. Now, in order to find your song on IPA Source, select Catalog, and you can search by the composer's last name, the poet's last name if the song is based on a poem, the arias by voice type, and art songs. I'm going to select composer's last name, and then I can browse alphabetically. For example, if I was looking for Mozart's Requiem, I would select M, continue to scroll until I found Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. And then you will see a list of arias, including the Requiem Mass. So I would select the song that I wanted IPA Source to provide. And there will be a download available with IPA Source descriptions on how to pronounce all of the words in the Requiem Mass. This has been a short video on how to use IPA Source. Please contact the library if you need more help. Have a great day!